Hi guys, so I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to make wine bottle labels in Photoshop. One of my customers asked me to make some for her daughter's 18th birthday and she asked for rose gold and pink colors. So this is just a standard A4 document in Photoshop and the files that I got are from Creative Fabrica. So this is rose gold foil, as you can see here. So if you download this, so then you're going to get this file here, right click on that and click extract files, and then you're going to get this folder here. And I used number 7, which is this one. So we're going to drag this to our Photoshop document. And then resize this to 9.8 centimeters by 9.8. Okay. And now we're going to zoom in. So next, select rectangle tool and just create a rectangle. And then here the sizes are in pixels. If you right click on this, you're going to change it to centimeters and put in 7.9 by 7.9. And then the color that we're going to use to fill this, I usually use the sample tool and until I find the correct color that I like. I already did, so the code for the one that I like is FBE8DF. And click OK. So this is the color to fill in the rectangle. Now this one will determine if you want to have lines around it and what color lines. I don't, so I'll just select this. Now if you select both of these together and then you align them, and now this is in the perfect center. So now it's time to add the text. I'm going to create a new layer and then select the type tool and add the text. And we're going to type in finally 18. And the font that I want to use is called Caroline. And the size is 34.5. Perfect. So then the next piece of text, I'm going to put in Rihanna's 18th birthday. And this is going to be in font here, Algerian. And the size of this is going to be 23.9. Okay. And then the final bit here, we're going to add the date. So the date of the event was the 28th of April 2022. And this is going to be font Alex Brush. And the size is 24.8. Perfect. So now if you select all of these and then you center them, and maybe I'll just adjust this a little bit. Yeah, and just make sure everything is centered again. Perfect. So now the way we have everything selected here, we have all the rectangles and all the text. If you press Ctrl and E, and this is just gonna merge everything together. So now this is one layer and it will act as one. You won't be able to move just the text or just a rectangle. It becomes one. So if you want to export this as PNG, what you can do is, I'll just resize it to make it a little bit bigger here. Right. So if you remove the background and then click File and then Export, Export As, and select Format PNG, and just wait for it to do its job. Right, so that's done, and then I'll export that. Right, so now we go into Design Space and click Upload, Upload Image, Browse, find the file, which one knows where it is. There we go. Select Complex, continue. You don't have to do anything here. And select Print and Cut and Upload. And now we can resize this image. So ideally, before you start this, you should measure the label that you have to work with. I didn't have the bottle in advance, so I didn't know what size. She just wanted me to make some designs for her, so this is what I did. And then when she gave me the bottle, it turns out the design was actually wider, so I just managed to stretch it a little bit, and it still looked fine for me to print. But yeah, ideally you measure first the label that you need to cover, and then design around that. So if we make this maybe a little bit smaller, let's say 4. So click make it, and then it's the standard, it's print and cut procedure. I'll just show you the settings on the printer. So if you click send to printer, right, so I'll use my normal printer and I'll add the bleed on, and then use system dialog. So this is gonna give you the extra settings. So if you click print, and there will be a pop-up, there it is, and that's the printer that I'm gonna use. And then click on preferences. There we go. So the settings are here. On quality, select high. Media type, I use photo paper, glossy photo paper. The paper source is my rear tray for all the photo paper. It's A4, and then I always do a preview before printing. And then you click OK, and this is gonna print your stickers. I'm gonna add in the description the link for the stickers that I use. I ordered them from Amazon, and I think there were 100 of them in a pack. I just don't remember the price right now. So when you have this printed, then load it into your mat, and we are going to set the dial on custom, and then put in washi sheet. So that's the setting that I use to cut them. And I'm going to show you now what is the final result.